So probably you're wondering, why am I sitting like this? Well, I've been running here and there to find the best vlogging camera for you guys and for myself. I cannot use my cell phone over and over again because I have a full-time job and I have to be on the phone constantly. So without further ado, let's show you guys which is the best camera under $1,000 and easy to use and very lightweight as well for daily vloggers. This is it. So this is the camera which I just purchased. It is EOS R50 and let's be honest, this is the best one under $1,000. It's just $850 right now in US, and I don't know about India or any other country as I'm in US. So well, let's go ahead and unbox this piece of beauty. So here we go, finally unboxing my new camera, and for updating the gaming vlogs, let's see what we get here. So as soon as we open this camera, we get the manual. Okay, let's see what they have inside. Well, apparently half of you are not even going to read this, but as it's an unboxing video, I need to show you guys. So mine is, yep, USA made. See this? US made. And this is the manual. Well, it is there in different languages: Japanese, English, Spanish and Chinese. So this is for all about the advanced user guide. If you want, you can learn how to use the camera in this, or if you already know how to, just go ahead and use it. And so there we go. So the first thing, this is an adapter. Well, I didn't expect this. This is the adapter, like you just remove it and plug it in for charging the battery for the camera. And this right here, yep, this is the body, guys. This is the beautiful body of Canon EOS R50. Well, this is 2-year-old camera, but you're not gonna be disappointed. It was released in 2023 in the month of February. See this? It's really pretty in black. See? And one more thing, guys. So whenever you're vlogging, this thing, you can flip it and see yourself over here. Whenever you're recording, you can see yourself. It's very nice and easy to use. Next up is, what is it? Let's see. This is the lens of this beautiful camera. So this is 24 megapixels, but 24 megapixels of a camera is far beyond any cell phone you use. It doesn't matter if you use an iPhone or not, but using a camera is a step up in every way possible. Like, this is beyond comparison to any cell phone right now. See this, guys? It looks so pretty. Yep, see this. So this is how it fits. All you gotta do is twist this. This is the frame which captures all the light for best photography and best videography. So here's the battery. I couldn't see it. How naive. So there we go. This is the battery. For charging this, you have to put this battery over here, guys. You see, this is how the battery fits, and then you remove this and then you plug it in. So I've unboxed this completely. Now I don't need this anymore. I don't need this. I don't need this. None of this plastic is needed right now. All I need is this, the lens cover, and this, and of course this to charge the battery. You remove this battery and then all you do is push it in gently and lock this case, and voila, we are ready to go. Let's start it. Okay, so guys, here it is. This is unboxing, and after setting this camera up, I feel satisfied by buying it. And my first reviews, I cannot give it yet because I haven't used it till now. For now, it looks neat, clean and handy. It's not heavy at all. It's very light in weight. As you can see how pretty it looks. So guys, finally unboxing has been done, and let's see if I can fit this into it so that I can hang it. Well, it looks like a task. You know what guys, forget it. Who needs this? I have a bag, I'll show you that. This is the bag which I'm going to use to carry my beauty. That's it. And that's it for today. Let's catch you guys in the next one.